Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can obtain more orchids for the Qixi Festival in Heartopia. So in order to get it, you can either go here to the quests and complete these weekly quests. You'll get 100 if you complete 10 resident requests this week. One weekly request this week, you get 60. Roll the dice 5 times this week, you'll get another 60. Although you only get this much, I believe. I don't know if it refreshes. I don't remember what it was like when it was the butter bit. I don't think it does, but you can get it from that. You can also get it when you roll like dice. You will get the orchids here by like stepping onto these like platforms. See, passing through it grants 6 orchids, and then you can get more dice here. Mystery item landing on this tile randomly grants either a double orchids item or a remote control dice. And if you go to the exchange store, you will need the orchids to purchase these items. We have the Magpie Bridge, Magpie Pavilion, Magpie Embroidery, Magpie Peddler Umbrella, Qixi Lantern, Doll Stall, Morning Glory Embroidery Hoop. This is what it looks like. Folding Scroll, Magpie Back Decor. We have the orchid face decal, looks super cute. Some wrapping paper, this food recipe, I already bought that, but also you are able to unlock advanced tier here, and you will, I think, immediately get these. I'm not sure, but I think so. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!